Hey everyone, and welcome to Health and Wellness Channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into a topic that's important to so many of us, finding natural ways to manage those pesky period symptoms, especially heavy bleeding and pain. Let's face it, those days can be tough, and we all deserve relief without relying solely on medications. I'm going to share some simple yet effective remedies that you can easily incorporate into your routine. From soothing herbal teas to targeted dietary changes, we'll explore it all. Now let's get started. Let's start with a classic remedy that stood the test of time: heat therapy. When those cramps hit, reaching for a heating pad or a warm water bottle can feel like heaven. Heat works wonders in relaxing the muscles in your lower abdomen. When those muscles are tense and constricted, they can spasm, leading to those dreaded cramps. Improved blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are reaching your uterine muscles, helping them function better and reducing pain signals. Whether you prefer a heating pad, a warm water bottle, or even a relaxing warm bath, embrace the soothing power of heat for natural period pain relief. Next up, let's explore the wonderful world of herbal teas. When it comes to managing period symptoms, certain herbal teas can be your new best friends. Two standouts are ginger tea and chamomile tea. Ginger has long been celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the body, including the inflammation associated with menstrual cramps. Chamomile tea, on the other hand, is like a gentle hug for your insides. It has calming and soothing properties that can help relax your muscles and ease cramps. So brew yourself a cup of ginger or chamomile tea and let those natural healing properties work their magic. Now, I know exercising might be the last thing on your mind when you're dealing with period pain, but trust me on this one. Gentle exercises and stretches can actually make a world of difference. Yoga, in particular, is a fantastic option. Certain yoga poses are known to help relieve menstrual cramps by gently stretching and relaxing the muscles in your lower abdomen, back, and hips. Even light stretches, like gentle twists or knee-to-chest stretches, can provide relief. Choose movements that feel good and help you relax. Let's finish up with a powerful duo from nature's medicine cabinet, turmeric and honey. This combination has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits, and it can work wonders for period symptoms. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural antibacterial and soothing agent. To make this magical elixir, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a teaspoon of raw honey and add it to a cup of warm water or plant-based milk. Stir it well and enjoy. You can drink this turmeric honey mixture once or twice a day, especially during your period. Thanks for joining me today to explore these natural ways to manage heavy periods and pain. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to try them out. Remember, everybody is different, so find what works best for you. It might take a bit of experimentation to discover your perfect combination of remedies. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and share this video with someone who might find it helpful.